In this video, let's see the next numerical problem based on tangents and normals. It says, find the point on the curve y is equal to 2x square minus 6x minus 4 at which the tangent is parallel to x-axis. Now you know, what do you mean by tangent parallel to x-axis? What is its meaning in context to slope? The slope should be 0 because the angle made with the positive direction of x-axis is 0. So tan theta or tan 0 is 0. So that's it. Now when you know this, the solution becomes quite easy. Let's start with finding dy by dx. So y is given. What is dy by dx? Let's see. It is nothing but the slope which we have to find. In consideration to that, it is the help that we are going to get with dy by dx. So it is 4x minus 6, right? Now it has been given that the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. Tangent is parallel to x-axis. It means what? It means my slope is going to be 0. When my slope is going to be 0 of the tangent specifically, that means 4x minus 6 is going to be 0 because it is nothing but dy by dx. That means x is going to be 6 by 4 or 3 by 2. That is your x value that you have got. That is one separate thing. But why we have found out this x? What is this going to benefit us? Now you see, you have to find out what? Find out a point, and a point is nothing but a point is x comma y, that means abscissa comma ordinate. As we studied in the diagram, there was a curve, there was this tangent to the curve and there was this normal. I mean, it should be like this. Now if you have found out the x coordinate of 3 by 2 is there here, so you have to find out y coordinate, that's it, and that will give me the answer. Now 3 by 2 is there, how to find out y coordinate? Definitely this x y should be such that it should be lying on the curve, it should be satisfying the curve. This point will definitely satisfy this curve, right? So that is what we are going to do. We are going to use this knowledge. We are going to say that 3 comma 2, x is equal to 3 comma 2 satisfies curve equation because it basically lies there only. So you have to just put the value y is equal to what? Y is equal to 2 into x square minus 6 into x minus 4. Now you have to just solve. So it is 2 into 9 upon 4 minus 6 into 3 upon 2 minus 4. Just simply cancel whatever cancels. 2 1s are 2 2s are, 2 1s are 2 3s are. What is the answer? 9 by 2 minus 9 minus 4, or it is nothing but 9 by 2 minus 13, or it is nothing but minus 26 plus 9. So it is minus 26 plus 9 upon 2. You can easily solve whatever the answer is, right? So it is minus 17 upon 2. So this is your y and this is your x. So the point is what? The point is nothing but x comma y. That means it is nothing but 3 by 2 comma minus 17 by 2, and that is your answer. So this is how you go about this. If you know the concept, the questions are not difficult. The numerical values may be changed, but in mathematics, formulas and understanding the basic concepts, only that is important, and that can win any situation.